Welcome to Viana Home, the place where design dreams come to life. In today's video, we're diving into the world of outdoor kitchen designs that are not just functional, but also incredibly cozy and stylish. Whether you're imagining a rustic pizza oven under string lights or a sleek modern grill with an elegant dining area, this video will give you inspiration for turning your backyard into the ultimate cooking and entertaining haven. From layout ideas to must-have appliances, we'll show you how to create an outdoor kitchen that reflects your style and meets your needs. So if you're ready to elevate your outdoor living experience, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Viana Home for more home design inspiration every week. Rustic outdoor kitchens offer a warm, grounded charm that brings people together. With elements like stone ovens, reclaimed wood, and natural textures, this design style feels timeless and welcoming. It's perfect for homes in countryside or forested settings, but also works well in suburban backyards with the right touch of greenery and detail. Modern outdoor kitchens focus on clean lines, sleek surfaces, and hidden functionality. Stainless steel appliances, concrete countertops, and built-in seating make these spaces efficient yet elegant. Great for urban dwellings or contemporary homes, this design prioritizes style without sacrificing performance. Drawing from Spanish, Italian, and Greek aesthetics, Mediterranean kitchens burst with character. Terracotta tiles, arched niches, colorful mosaics, and olive trees are key features. These kitchens are perfect for sunny climates and social outdoor dining experiences. Even compact spaces can host beautiful and functional outdoor kitchens. The key lies in smart layouts, foldable elements, and multi-purpose furniture. Balconies, patios, or narrow yards can be transformed into mini cooking havens with creativity and vertical planning.